I'm about to get Auntie of the Year award, but like let me not be bragging, like it's too early. But look at that. It is smoking. I feel like such a proud mother. Hi. Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to be here. If this is your first time seeing me, you can either subscribe now or by the end of the video, hopefully I'd have given you like multiple reasons to subscribe. So you saw the thumbnail, you saw the title. Today we're making a cute dress for a child, a little girl who is about to turn 2 years old, my cousin. I feel like such a proud mother. So for her birthday, I'm going to gift her this dress, and I'm actually using the leftover fabric from the smocked top tutorial that I did. If you haven't watched it, you should check out that video as well. So, and also because this, like, a part of the dress is going to be smoked, so you know, background information that can help like to understand everything. So before we get into the video, I just want to quickly address something. So if you have seen the banner on my channel, if you haven't, you can quickly check it out. But like, if you've seen it, the 4 themes that I put there for like this channel, we are sewing, DIYs, fashion, and lifestyle. Under lifestyle, we're supposed to have like vlogs and like maybe a day in the life, other tutorials that are not sewing tutorials, things like that, just general lifestyle things. Well, if you notice, I haven't done any such video ever, and I just wanted to let you know that in the coming weeks, most likely you might see me upload like a vlog or a lifestyle type of, you know, video. I just want to let you know, just so that when I upload something like that, like if you see a notification or you come online and you see a video like that from me, you won't get confused or you won't be wondering like, what's this girl doing? I thought she was just doing sewing tutorials. Okay, so definitely the sewing tutorials will still be coming up, but like, you know, just a heads up for like, you know, yeah. So without any more talk, let's get into this video. All right, so for the things that we are going to need for this video, we need our fabric, we need our measuring tape, regular thread that matches the color of the fabric, and then smoking thread or elastic thread. This is what it looks like, and scissors to cut the fabric. Okay, so I already took her body measurements when I babysat her some time ago, and that's the measurement that I'm going to use. The measurements is just 2 measurements that I need for this dress, and that's her chest measurement and then the length of the dress. So I don't really have a picture of the style of the dress, so I decided to do a rough sketch here for you. So this area here is the smoked part of the dress, and this side is just loose. The straps that are we have straps in place of sleeves. The straps are these ones that you can tie at the shoulder. That's why, like, you know, so this is what we are going for. Let's get it. All right, so we have our fabric folded over. So for the body of the dress, we need like 2 rectangular pieces, and that's what we're going to cut out from here now. So her chest measurement is 19 inches. So this is a smoked dress, and if you remember, with smoked dresses and things like that, you don't use your exact measurement, you add in some allowance. And for this dress, I'm going to add like about like 5 to 6 inches of allowance, so that, like, you know, it has enough room for her to grow. And then the length of the dress is 23 inches. I already measured this part and it's longer than the dress, so we're good to go. So inches for it. I'm going to add 2 inches for sewing allowance. So and then for the width of this, we have an extra 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, an extra 6.5 inches. So that is very okay. So we're going to cut across the length. So this rectangular piece that we have here is basically like the two pieces for the dress. This is the front piece, the other side is the back piece. And like I said, we have 6.5 inches of allowance on both sides. That's her chest measurement divided by 2 and then plus 6.5 inches. That is what we have here. So I'm going to cut this part where we folded over. I'm going to cut it so we have 2 individual pieces. Okay, so the next thing I want to do now is to mark where our smocked area is going to end, because from our illustration here, it's just like the upper half that is smocked. So unfortunately I didn't take her measurement to see where I would like it to stop, but I'm just going to try and, you know, see what would work best. So here, let's see, I think we can try and use maybe like 8 inches. So I'm going to mark around 8. Okay, no, let's go with 9 inches. We're going to mark around 9 inches. To do that on both sides. Okay, so with that done, we're going to cut our straps now. So for the straps, like I mentioned before, we are going to be able to tie the straps on the shoulders. So you're going to need 2 straps for each side, so that's 4 straps altogether. And you can make them as long as you want, but not too long, you know, not ridiculously long. So I think I'm going to work with what we have here, and we have about 16 inches here, so I think I'm going to work with that. 2.5 inches wide. By the time we sew it on both sides, it's going to be it's going to just be about 1.5 inches, because by the time you take like half an inch, just mark that all the way Okay, so now we have our 4 straps all done, and we're going to get right into sewing this dress. Okay, so the very first thing that we're going to do for our dress, we're going to hem the top of it, not the bottom, just the top, the area like this is this area that we're going to smock. So we're going to hem the top of it, and then we'll do the smocking on this area of the dress. So now that we're done hemming the top of our dress, next thing we're going to do is to start the whole smocking process. And this is my smocking thread right here. I've already rolled it up in the bobbin, and I'm just going to insert this into the bobbin case and put it in my machine. And then for the upper thread, we're still using our yellow thread, the thread that matches your fabric. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So we're done hemming and smocking the front and the back of our dress, and these 2 pieces are what we have from that. So these are the 4 straps that we need for each sleeve. So I did like this slant on the end of all of them, I don't know, just to something a little extra. And then I'm just going to go and I'm going to sew with regular thread, normal thread, like all the way around, and I'm just going to leave this end open on all of them so that I can turn it inside out from there. So I'm going to sew the straps right now. Alright, so now I've sewn and ironed all 4 straps, and I'm just going to join our dress together. I'm just going to join the dress on the 2 sides all the way to the bottom, and then I'll add the straps to it. So this is what we have so far. I've attached the straps, and then this is the smoked part of the dress, and then this is the lower half, and it just looks really nice. I like this outcome. So all that is left to do now is to hem the bottom of the dress, and that's basically it. So that's what I'm going to do, and we'll be done. And we are back. Thank you so much for staying to this point of this video, and I'm here with the final result of our dress. And let me just tell you, this dress is the cutest. This I'm about to get Auntie of the Year award, but like let me not be bragging, like it's too early. So let me show you our dress. This is it. I hope you can see it. Everything. It's just really, I already went on to tie the straps, like, but they can be loosened up and tied however, and like I don't know, it's just really cute. I just like it. It's really simple. This is something that you can try out as well for your younger siblings, your cousins, your nieces. Like, if you try this out, you can send me pictures. If you have any questions at all concerning this tutorial, please let me know in the comment section. I'm going to link the video of the smoked top in the description box, because I didn't really explain like the whole smoking process in this video. So in case like there was any part where you got confused or something, you can always check out that video. Like, that's where the tutorial for actually doing this part of the dress, this smoked part of the dress, is. So you know, everything is explained and all of that. If you still have any questions, you can drop a comment or DM me on Instagram. My username is right here, and the link to my Instagram is in the description box as well. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I would see you again next week for another amazing time. Let me not spill the beans on what we're doing next week, but it's going to be fun. And yeah, maybe it's be another baby's dress, I don't know, but thank you very much, and see you next time. Here is a final look at our dress. You didn't really get to see it properly when I was holding it, so this is a final look. We have our straps, smoked area, and then the lower half is just straight down. Please, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, to comment, to share with anybody you might think might benefit from this. And you know, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Thank you, and have a nice weekend. So already started talking about without any more, you know, like, just like this, making this dress, the making of this dress, the gifting of this dress is part of my plan to be the favorite auntie, to win the role, the spot of favorite auntie. And this is like part of, you know, this is me strategizing to get that, you know, getting ahead of the game and everything. So yeah, let's get into the video.